Well, guys, a few days ago when I was shopping, I happened across these, and I thought, I gotta try to see what these taste like. It was $7.98, I believe, $7.98 for this. It's net weight 12 ounces, so it's not cheap. And it's beef sliders, meat from plants. So I thought I gotta check that out. So let's get these going, and I'll see what I think about them. Now I wasn't sure if they're like hamburgers where they have kind of their own grease when you put them in a frying pan. I don't need anything extra, so I did spray the pan with a little bit of olive oil. Now it says on here on the back there's 3 servings per container. Serving size 2 patties. That is no way in hell, guys. That's not even enough for me what we have here, but that's what they're telling you the serving size is. And I was somewhat surprised on the calories. So the serving size is 2 patties, so 230 calories for just 2 of these. So what do I think? They're not bad. Would I buy them again? Probably not. But they don't taste bad at all. So I wasn't sure what to do. I didn't want to put any seasoning at all on them because I wanted to see what they taste like natural without anything. And again, they're not that bad. In fact, if I didn't know better and nobody told me that these were that this was meat from plants, I wouldn't have known any better. I would be none the wiser. So I have to say I was very pleasantly surprised.